Okay, so if you guys remember, while Kate was here, I got this 3-tier metal or wire rack shelf here, and it's opened up a good bit of space here for the stuff that I have here in my kitchen. But one thing we've discovered that well, I've got space up here, but I've got all this open space on my open bar that I had redone, oh man, probably 12, I'm going to guess maybe 12, 14 years ago. And yeah, this is just open space. And I'm really wanting to put a shelf, maybe about halfway. It's about 17, 18 inches in height, going by about 48 inches long, to kind of put some more maybe pots and pans or other stuff, basically try to utilize the space. Because this kitchen is small. It's just a hallway kitchen. So yeah, space is limited in this setup, and there's not a whole lot I can do with it either. So yeah, so I guess I'm going to make a trip to Home Depot. I need to get one shelving board, and I'm going to debate if I'm going to go buy a 1x or if I want to get a 2x, but it's going to have to be at least 4 feet long, and chances are it's going to come in a 6-foot board. So yeah, I have to check prices and all that, but I'm going to need probably 4 shelving brackets to support it. But I'm probably going to go with this is a 1x12, but I can't put something this wide further up. I'm thinking maybe a 1x8. I might be able to get away with a 1x10, but again, there's nothing supporting it here like I have under here, so I don't know. But we'll take a trip to Home Depot and see what they got. Alright. Record the old trip and check prices. Up a lot further, you goof. treated. Maybe there's some over here on the other side. Lumber yard. Nice cedar. Ooh, we're looking at money. Yeah, too much. Okay, here we go. That looks like a 96-inch 8-footer. Cedar. Wow. Good one. One by 6, 12-footer. Yeah. 1 by 12 foot. 80 foot. That's 6. 541. It's a 1 by 12. 1 by 8. 307. Thick board. This one looks better. Poplar. That might work. Huh. I think that would work. 307. If that's right. $75 by 7.25. About a 6-footer. Yep. Okay. Well, we might go with that. Now, we gotta find shelving brackets. They didn't have a 1 by 10, did they? It's just a 1 by 12. Yeah, so it's a 1 by 12. That's too wide. Yeah, 1 by 8 will work. Yeah, I like coming out here in the morning when there's like hardly anybody here. Nothing there. Nope. Shelving bracket's gotta be around here somewhere. Oh man, that's just for one. Wow. Now, let me search around. Yep. Oh, spent a fortune on brackets. Okay, there we go. Some brackets. Oh yeah, 198, 148. Yeah, just something simple. See what I can find here. Okay, 798. Wow. 178. I'm just gonna small ones. Gray, white. Jeez. 238. Be hidden. Alright, I guess this will work. Yeah. Alright. Alright, let's roll.
Cierra la puerta. Mira, la puerta, la llave de la puerta es la que está al lado de la...
Freaking goof that was in front of me was getting all sorts of crap, and then went and got more while all I had was this board and brackets. That was great. I wouldn't let me go in front of them. Yeah, I try to avoid coming up to Home Depot unless I really have to. And Lowe's is actually worse, but anyway, got everything I need, so we'll just record the adventure home. done in the kitchen. Alright, so I got my line marked on the board, and got my lines marked on the inside of the bar here. So that'll be where the shelf goes. The brackets will go underneath. And it'll just clear my little wine rack here, so that'll work. So let me get these brackets in place. Let me do that first, then I'll go out and cut the board and we'll put it in position. Alright, brackets are in place. Didn't realize that the board didn't come to the edge there. I'll just speckle that at a later date. We're right in line. And there's the other two. Now again, these aren't the fanciest looking brackets, but hey, they'll serve the purpose. So that's what I'm looking for here. Alright, well, we got a perfect fit here, but apparently this edge here is twisted just a bit. And it's cut perfectly straight, but there's a bit of a gap here. That's just awesome. But not much I can do about that because I'd have to bang out part of that edge right here to make it fit straight. But yeah, this could use some sanding. I'm picking splinters off. Yeah, for right now, I think this is good enough. You know, I'll stain it at a later date, you know, sand it and all that. But yeah, this is poplar board. So, I mean, this will work. I just got to get the screws up under there to hold it in place. You know, so yeah, I think for functionality purposes, this will work. So it looks like I got about an inch overhang on each edge, which is fine. I can live with that. So that'll be good for pots and pans, you know, nothing real heavy. I mean, it's pretty sturdy. So I think this will suffice. So anywho, well, another minor project done. And no, it's not professional specs, but you know, I'm doing this myself. And like I said, I'll do the finishing touches at a later date, but for now, for pots and pans, I think that's the most that I'll be putting up there. Nothing real heavy. Give me a little bit more storage space, and that's the main purpose here. So, oh yeah, for those curious, yep, for those curious, we're in the bubble there, so good enough. And we got plenty of space for the tall blender in my wine rack. Awesome. There, a little something like that. Nothing real heavy. Board's not bowing. Awesome, this is perfect. More storage space.